but the chat was cold. Silence tore me apart. I don't need fireworks, flash or a show. I need a hand to hold, someone to know. A quiet home, laughter in the air, children running, gentle chaos there to hug her close. Say she's fine, now I know. I don't need any other sign. She is like sun in winter, thawing my frozen heart. She's like a hidden lake in a desert torn apart. And I will do my best so she can count on me, so she'll be happier than she ever dreamed she'd be. If we have problems, there's no goodbye.